So hi guys, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Moni. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't. And today is another day. I want to quickly make breakfast for my kids. And today they are having frozen pizza. So I didn't know this exists until a few weeks back when we were asked to bring frozen pizza for the teachers on Teachers Day. So let me open it and show you guys what's inside. This is what it looks like. So I don't need to do anything. All I need to do is put it on. I don't need to do anything. All I need to do is put it on the baking tray and toss it into the oven for a few minutes. Yesterday I spoke to you guys. Yesterday was the day I made pizza for breakfast, and today again I just want to pick up my camera and I feel like talking to you guys. So my kids are outside now. They are playing. Ever since we got a mail from their school that we should allow them to play at least 1 hour outside, we've been allowing them to go out to play even for more than 1 hour. Now they're on summer holiday, so I'm here alone. I want to complete the documentary I was watching yesterday. It's about Celine Dion. I don't know if you guys know Celine Dion. People from my generation obviously know who Celine Dion is. So she was diagnosed with an incurable disease called SPS, I think stiff posture syndrome or something like that. It's just so sad to know that someone that used to be agile is now down with an incurable disease. And it's the other day I was watching her on TikTok. She went to see her doctor and she had a crisis. It was terrible, very, very terrible and sad. So which make me to remember that life is very, very short. Vanity upon vanity, that's what the Bible says. So we want to get rich, we want to have the best things in life, we want to have good things for our kids. At the end of the day, we all will go someday. So, and I usually pray to God that when it's time for me to cross over to the other side, He will make it a seamless journey, a very, very easy one. And because I don't want to go through any pain. And I'm still going to live for years. I'm still going to see my children's children in good health and wealth. But when it's time for me to cross over to the other side, God will make it an easy peasy one for me. That's my prayer. I always pray that prayer. Where's your daddy? So guys, today is another day, and I started making my hair yesterday. I'm not yet done, so I'll continue today. This is how far I've gone. I'll continue today, but in the meantime, I want to eat jollof rice and chicken. I made this yesterday. And also I have here orange. So come and join me.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Jay.
No! Alexa! Yo, what's up?
Well, hello. I'm
Alexa,
choosing another musical today.
I have a
One
better
from my repertoire.
Alexa! Play Astronaut Dolphin.
One from my repertoire.
Alexa! Play Astronaut Dolphin.
So I'm done making my hair. It's not perfect, but I love it. It's not perfect, but I'm going to manage it like that. It's not as if I had a choice though. Last time I made my hair, I was able to pull through. It wasn't tiny as this, and my hair was relaxed, not natural like this one. It took me 3 days to make this hair. 3 good days. So it's late already. So I'll just boil water now and put it in hot water. Then I will show you guys maybe tomorrow, because the day is almost over and I need to make dinner. So how did I do? So this is what my hair looks like. Did I try? I think I did a great job. Because I don't have edges, I didn't pick these tiny ones over here. So how do I look? You need to go and shower, we're going out. So I'm all dressed. So this is what my hair looks like. I packed it because I don't want any disturbance. So we are going out right now, and we are going to a get-together party organized by Nigerian communities in Winnipeg. So I will bring you guys along. I will see you at the venue. A quick stop at the gas station. Isaac, say hi to the camera. David, say hi to the camera. I can't see your face. We are early. Yes, no.
Can we please welcome Janice Morning Lancome? I think that's how the name is called. Leconte, right? She is seeking nomination in Winnipeg South. Can we please give her a round of applause? And at this point, I want to finally welcome our president of NAMI for a quick word, and then we can get into party after party.
Why are you rushing now?
Going to the Ghana to start today.
In 2 weeks' time, we'll go there. It's not far. Oba and Simi are coming too. And your cousins.
Is it after tomorrow?
You don't know what 2 weeks means.
Can we go after tomorrow?
We can't go after tomorrow because we have to go together. So I saw a subscriber and she said hello to me at a party. Thank you very much for coming to say hi to me. I appreciate. Okay, now I will catch you guys later. Stomach, don't put your head on my stomach. My stomach is paining me. David, I told you to stop that.
Okay. It's 70 something. It's 71. Why is battery saver is very on? Do it, Paul.
Can you shift your head, please?
Okay.
Put your head on the second pillow.
Okay. I want to sleep at that side. I wish this is my room. I wish this is
Why?
my room.
Why?
And this is my bed.
David! So my son has been learning French on Duolingo app because he's going to French class next session. When we enrolled him in kindergarten, I thought they were going to be teaching him French since his school is a, what do they call it? Since his school is a French immersion school. So I thought he was going to be taught French in school, but they weren't teaching them French. So I made an inquiry, and just the last term of kindergarten, I called the school and asked them if he can join French class in grade 1, and he said yes. I want him to learn some simple French so that when he gets to school, he will be familiar with some words in French.
With this. Yeah. Yes. And the